caused by protozoa. Malignant malaria is pernicious malaria. Charles Leveland discovered the malaria parasite Plasmodium in the blood of the affected person in the year 1880. Ronald Ross, 1897, confirmed the malaria is caused by malaria parasite and told that mosquito is the carrier of it. Diseases caused by bacteria. In the year 1882, German scientist Robert Koch discovered the bacteria of cholera and TB. Bird flu is a disease that affects human beings and is spread through poultry. If waste material contaminates the source of drinking water, the most probability to spread the disease is typhoid. Vaccine, it is a biological preparation of a weakened or killed pathogen which provides active acquired immunity to the body for a particular disease. Vaccination, administration of vaccine to stimulate an individual's immune system to develop immunity to a pathogen. Vaccine DTP, diphtheria, pertussia, tetanus given to child up to 1 year. BCG vaccine is provided for the disease Bacillus calmette guerin. It provides immunization against tuberculosis given to the child up to 1 to 4 months. OPV polio. Oral polio vaccine is given to the child from 2 months to 6 years. Louis Pasteur discovered the vaccine of rabies and pasteurization of milk. Diseases caused by virus. Medical instrument, pacemaker. It is a small device that is placed in the chest to control abnormal heartbeat. Computed tomography scan, that is CT scan, used to investigate abnormal functioning of the body. Electrocardiograph, ECG, to find out the abnormality of heart. Electroencephalogram, EEG, used to detect malfunctioning of brain. Magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, used to find out any abnormality in the whole body. Autoanalyzer, used to examine glucose, urea and cholesterol. Diseases caused by protozoa. Number 1, diarrhea. The reason of this disease is the presence of internal protozoa, namely in ant amoeba histolytica, which is spread through house flies. It causes wounds in the intestine. Protein digesting enzyme, trypsin, is destroyed in this. This disease is mostly found in children. Disease caused by helminthes. Filaria. This disease is caused by Wuchereria bainoclopti. This worm is transmitted by the stings of Culex mosquitoes. This disease causes swelling in legs, testes and other parts of the body. This disease is also known as elephantiasis. Diseases caused by fungus. Number 1, asthma. The spores of the fungi, namely Aspergillus fumigatus, reaches the lungs of the human and constitutes a net-like formation, thus obstructs the function of lungs. This is an infection disease. Number 2, athlete's foot. This disease is caused by the fungi, namely Taenia pedis. This is an infectious disease of skin which spreads mainly due to the cracking of feet. Number 3, scabies. This disease is caused by the fungi, namely Acarus scabies. In this disease, the skin itches and white spots found on the skin. Number 4, baldness. This is caused by the fungi, namely Cania capitis. Due to this, hair of the head falls. Number 5, ringworm. This disease is spread through the fungi, namely Trichophyton lerocosum. This is an infectious disease, round red spot found on the skin. Some other diseases. Number 1, paralysis or hemiplegia. In this disease, within a few minutes, half of the body is paralyzed. The nerves of the paralyzed part become inactive. The reason of this disease is due to high blood pressure, bursting of any blood vessels of brain, or insufficient supply of blood to brain. Number 2, allergy. Some substances like dust, smoke, chemical, clots, cold are dangerous to some persons, and there are reactions of their body which causes various diseases. Itching, pimples, swelling in body, black spot, eczema, etc. are the examples of allergy. Number 3, schizophrenia. This is a mental disease which usually found in youth. The patient considers the imagination as a truth, not to the fact. These patients are lazy, emotionless, etc. Electropathy is helpful in the disease. Number 4, epilepsy. This disease is caused by the internal disturbance of brain. In this disease, foam coming out of the mouth and the patient falls down unconscious. Number 5, diplopia. This disease is caused by the paralysis of muscles of the eyes in which double image is formed. Number 6, bronchitis. It is caused by the inflammation of tubes leading from the windpipe to lungs. Number 7, cold. This is a highly infectious disease and is caused by a virus which results in bad throat, headache, and watery nose. Colic. Number 8, colic. Severe pain in the abdomen caused by spasm of the internal organs, usually the intestine. Number 9, delirium. It is a serious mental disturbance occurring under the influence of poisonous drugs. Number 10, hydrophobia, a disease caused by bite of a mad dog. Number 11, hypermetropia, long-sightedness. One can see the object of longer distance but not the object of nearer one. It can be corrected by convex lens. Number 12, myopia, short-sightedness. In this disease, person can see the object of nearer distance but cannot see the object of longer distance. It is corrected by using concave lens. Number 13, leukemia. There is a great increase in the number of white blood corpuscles in the system. Swelling of the spleen takes place. Death occurs within few days. Number 14, migraine, an allergic disease in which there is a periodic attack of headache takes place. It is an incurable disease. 15, obesity. Excessive fatness is called obesity. Number 7, piles. There are various veins in the rectum. Due to extra pressure on vein, it prevents the free flow of blood, creating problem. It is caused due to constipation. Number 7, rheumatism. The symptom of this disease is fever with joint pain. Other diseases: atherosclerosis, deposition of cholesterol particles in the lumen of arteries which prevent the flow of blood is called atherosclerosis. Arteriosclerosis, due to deposition of cholesterol and calcium salt, arteries become stiff and rigid. It loses the property of elasticity, due to which wall of arteries may rupture. Uremia, presence of excess of urea in blood is called uremia. This is caused by malfunctioning of kidney. Glycosuria, presence of excess of glucose in the urine is known as glycosuria. Arthritis. It is disease in which inflammation of joints takes place. Osteoporosis. It is a age-dependent disorder of bone in which low bone mass and increased fragility takes place. Hyperglycemia. It is disorder in which the concentration of glucose in the blood is high. Hypoglycemia. It is a condition in which the concentration of glucose in the blood is very low. Pneumonia. Acute inflammation of alveoli of lung. Emphysema. It is the abnormal distension of alveoli which results in the loss of elasticity. Cigarette smoke and chronic bronchitis are two main causes. Cancer. The uncontrolled growth of cell by its multiplication. There are 4 types of cancer. Carcinoma. It is also known as skin cancer, occur in epithelial tissue. Sarcoma. Cancerous growth in connective tissue, bones, cartilage, and muscles is called sarcoma. Leukemia. Abnormal growth in the number of leukocytes. Lymphoma. Cancerous growth occur in lymph node or